Question 26. We're adding two fractions with different denominators, and anytime we do that, we need to get a common denominator, so we're going to have to change both of these fractions. So I suggest you write them one on top of the other. That then gives you the space to write your equivalent fractions at the side of each one. So we're trying to get a common denominator. Now, I always recommend, first of all, trying to make the small denominator into the bigger one. But you can't, doubling the 2 doesn't give 7, tripling the 2 doesn't give 7, timesing the 2 by 4 doesn't give 7. So you can't really change the 2 into a 7. So we're going to have to change both denominators here. And to change both denominators, you just times the 2 denominators together to get yourself a common denominator. So 2 times 7 is 14. So that will give you a common denominator. And then you say, how have you changed them? Well, 7 into 14 is doubled. So you need to double the 2 on top as well. And double the 2 on top as well will give you 4. And for the other fraction, how have you changed the 2 into 14? You've times it by 7. So you need to times the top number by 7 as well. So 1 times 7 gives you 7. And there's our new fractions. 2/7 has become 4/14, and 1/2 has become 7/14. That means we don't actually need the original fractions anymore, so we can cross those out and just go with our new fractions, which have now got a common denominator. If your common denominator is 14ths, that means your denominator in your answer is also going to be 14ths. But we've got 4/14 and 7/14. Well, 4 apples and 7 apples makes 11 apples. 4 bananas and 7 bananas makes 11 bananas. So 4/14 and 7/14, when we're dealing in 14ths, is going to make 11/14. And that is going to be our final answer. Common denominator was 14, and it was going to be 11/14.